Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can view and send trade requests on Roblox. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will click inventory from your menu, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will basically just click the item that you want to trade. And so this one, for example, I would want to trade this limited. So you have to ensure, by the way, that the item that you want to trade is limited. So you will just have to click this button right here. Uh, so by the way, if you do have your premium subscription, you should see the trade feature here or option. So what you will have to do is just click that, and then you will choose the user that you would want to trade with. Then you will review the items in the trade request, and then you will click send trade. And to view incoming requests, you will just have to go to trade section, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that, and here you should see the trade requests and the trades that you've done in the past and all that stuffs. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.